Hello everyone and welcome to Need Mentor. So the result for round 2 MCC is published and we have prepared the cutoff for All India Quota round 2, DNB round 2 and deemed university branch wise cutoff for round 2. So this is only for general category. Okay, I will be publishing category wise and branch wise cutoff and the NB diploma also. But in this video I will cover All India Quota, DNB and deemed branch wise. So as you can see, let's go with All India round 1 and round 2 cutoff comparison. So column number 3rd and 4th, third is for All India round 1 and 4th is for All India round 2. For radio you can see there is a little negative shift. See the result which got published, it has two set of results. On the left side you can see, not in this sheet, this is customized sheet. In the allotment you can see on the left side they have the allotment for round 1, okay, and corresponding to those candidates who went for upgradation, whose upgradation happened, you can see the upgraded in round 2, and there are some candidates who didn't get upgraded. For them there is blank dash you can see in the round 2 allotment. So round 2 radio has taken negative shift. Okay, dermatology there is a good positive shift. In round 1 it got closed on 2281, but in round 2 is on 3135. General medicine you can see positive shift. In round 1 it got closed on 3592 and in round 2 it went up to 4149 for general category candidates. Pediatrics has also taken positive shift, and I mentioned about the positive shift in round 2 for all the branches. So except radio, other branches has taken the positive shift. Orthopedics, in the round 1 it was closed on rank of 6813. In round 2 it went up to 8137. Ophthalmology took so much of positive shift by 4000 plus rank. That's the biggest margin for the clinical branch. You take a look at TB and chest respiratory medicine, it has also taken positive shift by approx 2000 rank. In round 1 it was closed on 5998, in round 2 7901. OBGY it has taken also positive shift by more than 1000. And general surgery positive shift of approx 1000. ENT has got positive shift by approx 2000 rank. Radiotherapy positive shift of approx 3000. Anesthesia positive shift by approx 1.5 thousand. Pathology has also taken positive shift by 6000, 29,000 rank for the pathology subject. Emergency medicine got closed on 8442, psychiatry up to 13,043 rank. I will be posting this screenshot in the Telegram group. You can download it from there. Let's talk about DNB cutoff and its comparison. You can see for radio there is no difference on the same rank it got allotted. Dermatology took so much of positive shift. In the round 1 it was available up to rank of 2622, and round 2 up to rank of 4139. Now medicine branch was available up to rank of 12,025 and it's not available up to rank of 12,426. Pediatrics branch was available up to rank of 13,678. It has taken negative shift 12,777. So pediatrics is odd man out. It has taken negative shift. Ortho has taken positive shift by around 1500 rank. Ophthalmology has taken positive shift by approx 1000 rank. TB and chest has taken positive shift. It has taken actually negative shift. So TB and chest and pediatrics, these two branches has taken negative shift. OBGY there is a positive shift by around 1000 rank. General surgery also has taken little bit of positive shift. It's available up to 19,520 rank. Coming to ENT has taken so much of positive shift, approx 3000, between 2.5 to 3000 rank. Radiotherapy there is positive shift by rank of 2300 something, 2200 something. In Anesthesia you can see there is positive shift by rank of around 600. Pathology has also taken so much of positive shift, 36,000. 36,000 is remarkable figure to get DNB. So that's the farthest rank where you could get a paraclinical subject in round 2. Emergency medicine was available up to rank of 19502 and psychiatry up to rank of 14,160. So take a look at medicine branches. Medicine, general medicine up to rank of 12,426, pediatrics up to rank of 12,777, and TB and chest up to rank of 12,087. So all the general medicine, all the medicine branches got closed up to rank of 1200 or 13,000, between 12 to 13,000. Let's take a look at dermatology deemed university cutoff. You can see there is a negative shift in radio for deemed university due to high demand. And dermatology has taken so much of positive shift in round 2, up to 50,000 it was available in round 2, and in round 1 it goes up to rank of 39,016. So around 11,000 of positive shift. That's a huge margin. Medicine, you can see there is a little just small margin you can see in the round 2 for medicine. The reason is very clear. This year we haven't seen so much of demand for general medicine subject. Pediatrics, you can see the positive shift by 5,000 rank. For orthopedics, the positive shift by around 8,000 rank. In ophthalmology also positive shift by 9,000 rank. TB and chest positive shift by around 8,000 rank. 7.5 thousand rank. OBGY has also taken positive shift by around 5,000 rank. Now talking about general surgery, it was available up to 73,592, now up to 82,298. So you can see here also positive shift by approx 9,000. ENT got available up to rank of 76,000. So there is positive shift of approx 7,000 rank. Radiotherapy is available up to rank of 67,600. Earlier it was available up to 61,071. Anesthesia subject, it has also taken so much positive shift, approx 11,000. Pathology, it got closed on the rank of 99,757, approx more or less same as round 1. Emergency medicine, there is positive shift of 4,000 rank. In psychiatry, there is a positive shift by huge margin, is around 10 plus 4, 14,000 rank. So we can see clearly, except radio and general medicine, there is a good positive shift we can see in deemed university for all the branches. Okay, and in DNB there is no change in the rank. For radio you have a little bit of positive shift in medicine, and negative shift in pediatrics, negative shift in TB and chest, but in remaining subject we have positive shift. So that's all our analysis. We will get back to you with another video where I will mention about the NB diploma cutoff branch wise and category wise. So until then, thanks for watching and have a nice day.